As the 21st century began, human evolution was at a turning point.
Here's another stupid video. Thanks for watching. Hey, this is Rich here, and I've got this extra big-ass mag for the 1911, and I've put as many rounds in it as I could. I didn't bother counting them, so I guess we'll see if they fire out of this Remington R1. Put that round down there. So anyway, gonna go ahead and try it, see how it does. Not a good start. Alright, so we'll see. I think this one will feed in there now. So we'll see if the rest do. See, we are recording. Good. So here we go. Remington R1 extra big ass mag. My count was 16 on that, so other than that first round not wanting to feed in there, it did very well. So this came from an Asian company, ordered it from I think Midway. Okay, I'll get some more rounds through there, and there you go, the Asian company extra big ass mag 45 ACP. Thanks for watching.
Enjoy your extra big ass fries.